In this video, I am going to show you how to fix dev error 5820 in Modern Warfare 3. If you want to fix this issue, you need to consider these steps. Dev error 5820 only occur when players in MW3 attempt to start a private match. The error occurs right after pressing start match and kick the entire lobby back to the main menu after a short time when the screen is frozen. If you are back and try to start another private match, you are likely going to see another dev error 5820 message pop up on your screen. Here are the steps to fix this issue. Number 1. Restart your game. A simple restart of MW3 did fix this issue as a couple of times, but it is not a long-term solution. Number 2. Switch host in private match. This is probably the best fix you can attempt. If you are playing a private match with another player, give them hosting privileges and let them start up the match. This usually allows your lobby to forego the dev error. Number 3. Brute force the private match. Another fix that worked was simply trying to start up a private match over and over again. After the third or fourth try, you will be able to stop the dev error from occurring. Here are some additional steps. Switch the private match settings. One fix that community members reported was changing up the private match settings. This includes reducing the number of bots in the lobby, not changing the match timer, and switching the map and mode. Verify your game files in Steam only. If you are on Steam, you can attempt to verify your game files by going into Properties menu for Call of Duty in your Game tab. After verify the game files, then you will be able to start private matches several times in a row without seeing the dev error. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.